Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 error, and the error is Forza Horizon 6 has hit an unexpected error and the error code is FHE01. So if you're getting this error in Forza Horizon 6, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to uninstall Citrix Workspace App. So if you have installed Citrix Workspace App on your PC, then simply uninstall it. You can go to Control Panel and open it, and then click on Uninstall a program. And here if you find Citrix Workspace App, then right click on it and then uninstall it. And after uninstalling the Citrix Workspace App, you can go ahead and launch the Forza Horizon 6 game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, and later if you want Citrix Workspace App, then you can install it after playing the game. Fix 2 is to disconnect Steam controller or any other controller. So as per one Reddit user, do you have a Steam controller? I fixed mine. So far it's been stable for much longer without crashes after I unplugged my Steam controller puck. And as per another user on Reddit, for me it was vJoy, disabled that and it works. So if you have any other controller connected to your PC, then unplug it and then try to launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to end the RivaTuner from Task Manager. So simply end the task for RivaTuner from Task Manager. Also end the task for RTSS, RivaTuner Statistics Server, or uninstall it and then check. You can also end the task for MSI Afterburner from Task Manager, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to install Visual C++ files and verify game files. So go to this Microsoft website. A link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So again either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. It is a must. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after restarting the PC, you have to verify the game files. So open Steam if you have the game on Steam, and then go to library, then right click on Forza Horizon 6 game. This is just an example I'm showing with another game, and then select properties, then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the Forza Horizon 6 game and check if a problem is solved or not. Now if you have the game on Xbox app, then open the Xbox app. So in Windows search type Xbox and open the Xbox app. Now in the Xbox app, select the Forza Horizon 6 game and then click on this 3 dot. This is just an example I am showing with another game, and then click on manage. Then go to the file section, and here you will see verify and repair. And after the verification and repair has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5, here are the more fixes that you can try as per some players. I just found out it's caused by my Moza R5. I just unplugged my Moza wheel and it's fine now. Keyboard works fine. Another user has said, for me my Simu Cube 2 Pro was the issue. As soon as I hide it via hide, the game works. Mine was caused by my wheel Simu Cube 2 Sport. Try without wheel. So you can also try these fixes and see if that works or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Forza Horizon 6 error code FHE01. Forza Horizon 6 has hit an unexpected error. Forza Horizon 6 has terminated unexpectedly due to an error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.